Manila Tobacco Control Awards of 2026, tinatawagan po namin si Binibining Ann Zamora mula sa City Environment and Natural Resources Office.
Good morning everyone. I'm Ann Zamora from Tobacco Control Office. Good morning po Mayor at sa ating mga City Council. To welcome today's ceremonial turnover of Metropolitan Manila Tobacco Control Awards 2026, organized by the Cultural Affairs and Tourism Office and Praise Committee. This recognition celebrates local government units that excel in implementing comprehensive tobacco control and establishing smoke-free environment across Metro Manila. Following a thorough document review and validation by the representative from MMDA, DOH, MMCHD, DILG, Health Justice Philippines, ASH Philippines, and DISH, we are proud to announce that the Pasig City gathered the highest score among the nominees in the following categories. The categories: Empower Strategies, the Smoke-Free category. This achievement reflects the unwavering commitment of the Pasig City to the public health, environmental safety, and effective tobacco regulation. Furthermore, this award helps position Pasig City as a top contender of the upcoming 2027 International Tobacco Control recognitions. This award is a testament to the hard work and continuous effort of the Pasig City through the Pasig City Smoke-Free Task Force. The relentless work in the policy enforcement, public awareness campaign, terminal inspections, and cessation support services ensures that the Pasig remains a safe and healthy for all. We would like to acknowledge the dedication of all the task force members of these offices, from Liga ng Barangay, City Administrator, City Health Department, City Environment and Natural Resources Office, the City Legal Office, Business Permit and Licensing Department, Public Information Office, City Planning Development Office, Human Resources Development Office, City Treasurer's Office, City Engineering Office, City Parks and Playground Section, CSWDO, Peace and Order Office, Pasig City Police Station, Local Youth Development Office, Cooperative Development Office, PCLDO, Pasig School Division Office, Toro, Pasig City Jail, BFP Pasig, and from CSO Social Watch Philippines. Thank you for all your steadfast commitment to the protecting our community from the harms of tobacco smoke and vaping. At this time, win by our Mayor, Victor Maria Regis Victor Soto, and the City Council, along with the members of the Pasig Smoke-Free Task Force, to receive the official plaque of honors and certificate of participations. Ladies and gentlemen, joining us and to officially turn over this award recognizing outstanding leadership in public health and tobacco control, please welcome a leader is a both certified public accountant and a lawyer, a dedicated public servant, committed to building safer, healthier, and smoke-free public spaces across Metro Manila. Let us give a warm round of applause to the Chairman of the Metro Manila Development Authority, MMDA. Please all welcome Attorney Romando Don Artes.
Sorry, Mayor. Ko alam na magsasalita. Anyway, ito pong tobacco control ay isang programa ng MMDA na naglalayo na idisiplina. Kasama po ito doon sa Yes to IS campaign namin na madisiplina ang ating mga kababayan, lalong-lalo na po na ma-inform sila doon sa masamang dulot sa kalusugan ng paninigarilyo. So kami po, katulong ng iba't ibang LGUs ay naglulunsad na programa at lungsod po ng Pasig sa pamumuno po ni Mayor Pico, kasama po yung mga nabanggit na mga departamento at ang council sa pamumuno ni Vice Mayor Dodon ay na-recognize po bilang pinakamagandang programa sa buong Metro Manila. So palakpakan po natin ang at yan po ay testamento ng maayos na pamumuno. And hopefully, hindi po natatapos dito yung recognition na yan. Dahil nabanggit po nga ng ating MC, yan po ay ilalawak natin para sa international award. And sana po manalo po tayo. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat.
To turn over this award for Empower Strategies, for letter M, monitoring tobacco use. May we call on all the representatives from Liga ng Barangay, Administrator, CHD, Senro, CLO, BPLB, PIO, CPDO, HRDO, City Treasury Office, City Engineering Office, CSWDO, City Parks Playgrounds, POD, PNP, LYDO, PCLE, DIO, SDO, TORO, Pasig City Jail, and BFB Pasig and Social Watch. Next letter, stay na lang po tayo dito sa front for letter W. Warning about the dangers of the week. Letter W.